Now, one of the very major thing which everybody is facing or is concerned is pigmentation. Be it a male, female. I think even teenagers are also more prone, or maybe they're more probably maybe sunscreen का application ठीक नहीं है whatsoever. And I've also seen that certain people, जैसे कोई prescribe करता है online, some influencers, they've used something and they tell it कि ये हमें suit कर गया है. Somebody applies the same medicated cream और उनकी pigmentation बढ़ जाती है. So what are the things we should be very careful of, and what is the right way?
So in my practice, like I think I have done extensive research at least on pigmentation.
Okay.
It's been my research, I would say, almost my research.
All right.
Because I feel even bachas, even middle age, even adults are having pigmentation blemishes to a greater extent.
Yeah.
One thing is there can be hormonal imbalance. Number 2 is obviously sun, and number 3 is the ingredients that you're using. So all 3 ka combination can be very deadly for the skin.
Okay.
Now coming to the fact that कौन सा ऐसे ingredients हैं जो skin में pigmentation कर सकते हैं या blemishes को बढ़ा सकते हैं. If we talk about that, see, for ages people have been using over the counter this depigmenting creams, applying it on the face, and if you have seen your maids and these girls coming to your places, you will see their face very red.
Yeah.
Okay, and then they'll say like that will turn white, and then after few days, a few months, they will become completely black.
Yeah.
So what is happening is these over the counter creams, जो whitening creams होती हैं,
गोरा होने के
लिए, तो उनमें कुछ ऐसे ingredients हैं जो ये actually use नहीं कर सकते. They were just meant for pigmentation. But people in India, they started using it all over their face and even their body, with the result वो permanently black होने लगे.
Oh yes.
So this should not be over the counter. This drug has to be prescribed by the doctors.
What is that drug?
Alright, the ingredient is, I've always talked about it again, it's hydroquinone.
Okay.
So hydroquinone is an amazing product. It's a bleaching agent.
Alright.
इसके साथ combination, triple combination रहता है, हम use करते हैं. Steroid भी होता है, hydroquinone भी होता है, and antibacterial हम साथ में डालते हैं. So जब ये combination से आपके skin पे लगाते हैं, तो आपकी skin bleaching effect के साथ आपको pigmentation नहीं दिखती. दिखती नहीं है, बात खत्म.
Alright.
आप 1 week तक लगाएंगे, आपको लगे oh my god, my skin is completely devoid of pigmentation. But the moment you leave it, it comes back completely with a vengeance. Now, how it is used? It is used initially just to kickstart and motivate the other person, but it has to be combined with skincare regime, treatment, sunscreen, and your diet. Okay, all these things has to be included, and you have to tell the person concerned, see, we are using this, it's just for a month or it's just for 15 days. उसके बाद हम आपको ये साथ साथ आपका ट्रीटमेंट शुरू होगा, इसको हम बंद कर रहे हैं और आपका ट्रीटमेंट आगे चालू कर रहे हैं. Just that आप initially थोड़ा सा happy feel करो,
थोड़ा सा motivate हो जाए.
But all these people I see, they come with dark black patches over their skin, and it's called ochronosis. That means कि आपकी pigmentation brown नहीं है, dark black हो गई है. उसको remove करना बहुत मुश्किल है.
Oh,
it's very difficult.
अच्छा, then it's so difficult to.
Then the treatments are really not successful, and उसका वो एक cycle चल पड़ता है.
वो laser हो जाता है, and then you enter that circle.
You then start with all kinds of treatments, and then all your face becomes really pigmented, and then you obviously have a complex. You go into depression.
Yes.
So most of the people are facing problem because of this. अगर पिगमेंटेशन को सही तरीके से ट्रीट किया जाए, then it is actually completely curable.